How to cancel friend request on Facebook. In this video, I will be showing you how to cancel a friend request on Facebook. Sometimes we send a friend request by mistake, or maybe we just change our mind. The good news is canceling a friend request is very easy. So let's go through that whole process. First of all, type in facebook.com into your browser and visit Facebook, and then log into your Facebook account. Once you have logged in, it will look something like this. This is the desktop version, so in case if you are doing it on your mobile app, it would appear slightly different, but all the steps are the same and you will easily be able to follow along. So now that you are here, the first thing that you're going to do is you have to go to the person's profile to see the person that you sent the request to. So in the search bar over here at the top right corner, we have the search bar. So you're going to go over here and you are going to type in the name of the person who you sent the friend request to. So over here, I'm going to type it in. So enter the account and go over there. And here I am. Here I have reached the account of the person that I sent the friend request to. Now over here, when you go to that person's profile, down here next to their profile name, you will see that there are two buttons. You will either see a friend request sent or you will see cancel request. In both cases, friend request sent and cancel request both mean that the other person has not accepted your friend request yet. It means that the request is still pending. So now what you're going to do over here, in order to cancel your friend request, you're simply going to click on this button which says cancel request. And that button has changed back to add friend. The request has been canceled. You can click on this button and send a friend request again if you want to add the friend again. If you cancel a friend request, the other person does not get a notification. If they already did see the request before you canceled, they might still notice that there was a request over here which has since disappeared. You can always send another friend request later if you change your mind. And that is it. That is how to cancel a friend request on Facebook.